Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Arbuckle. I wanted to do a short video tutorial to help you through getting your assignments on Teams. I've received a few emails from students not sure how to get their assignments or how to post them. And if I get a couple emails, that tells me there's probably more questions. So I want to make sure everyone has it. So when you log into Office 365, remember you'll either get to your email page or you'll get to a launch page like I have here. So if you start with your email, you just go up to your app launcher and select Teams. If you start on a launch page like I have here, you'll just simply click on Teams. Now remember, usually you want to use Firefox, but if you don't have Firefox as a browser, that's just fine. It may mean yours will look a little bit different, but it still should work the same. It may take a moment longer to load. Again, that's okay. Give it a chance. Now, when you come to the Teams front page, you should see a list of teams. It'll either be going across your screen or it will be in a list like what I have here. Now, if you open up and let's say your Teams opens up to assignments for some reason, and you don't see that you have any assignments, that just means that your teachers have not put it in this section. A lot of teachers are using Class Notebook like I am. So what you want to do is you want to click on and make sure you're on your Teams classes. So if you open to a different page than what I have here right now, you'll simply click on this icon. It'll bring up your list of classes. Choose your class. When you choose your class, it will usually open to posts. A lot of teachers are giving instructions here or checking in with students here like I have. For my class, you're going to skip over files and assignments and grades. I don't use this part of Teams. Where I want you to go is I want you to go to Class Notebook. Open up your Class Notebook. Give it a chance. Don't worry if you have something that says no section group selected. That just means you haven't done anything on this page yet. Not a problem. Find your purple arrow. Click on the purple arrow. You are then going to look for content. Make sure in content that you have your class resources, PowerPoints, videos. You don't need those right now. What you need is the one that's titled Home Resources. So in Home Resources, you're going to find a page that's for this week's assignment. It's called Exploring Incredible Careers. You will also find extra pages to help you have something different to do while you're at home, or if you are taking care of younger students. Once you find your class content, then you're going to find your name, click on your name, click on assignments, and I have titled your home assignments number 1 home assignment, number 2 home assignment, and I'll keep titling them like that so that you know they're the activities for home. Once you do home assignment number 1, you can do it right here on this page. You don't have to go anywhere else. You can type right here. I will get it immediately. You don't have to do any special saving or anything like that. If you are not able to type on this screen because you're on a cell phone or you're sharing a device with someone else, you may write on paper and take a picture and email me. You may also write on Word and take a picture and email me. I hope everyone's doing well and this helps you. If you need anything else, let me know.